Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to build a small wingspan, fixed-wing VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Recommended motors for vertical lift, 4x2204-1500 kV motors. The arms are 10 mm carbon rods, approximately 33 centimeters long, and the screw holes are suitable for M3 bolts. If you're interested in purchasing drone parts or have 3D printing needs, please contact me. Thank you for your support, fans.